Hey, wàhálà dé. Hey, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ kan nìyí. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Lẹ́yẹlé Global. Wàhálà ti dé o. Hey, àwọn àgbà bọ̀. Wọ́n ní what goes around comes around. Ẹ gbọ́, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Ẹ wò, tí nǹkan tí mò ń gbọ́ yìí tó bá lọ jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni, a jẹ́ wípé Ọlọ́run ọba ti dé sórí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó is in tears tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni o. Ẹ wo, a sì ń ṣèwádìí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn but gẹ́gẹ́ bí information tá a gbọ́, a sì ń ṣe ìwádìí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn but gẹ́gẹ́ bí information tá a gbọ́, ẹ gbọ́, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Wọ́n ní Joma Juice ọkọ Priscilla ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wọ́n ló ti fara ya o. Àbẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ṣé ẹ̀ ń gba analysis mi ṣá? Ṣé mò ń sọ lọ́nà tẹ́lẹ̀ fi gbọ́ dáadáa? Joma Juice ọkọ Priscilla ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wọ́n ló ti fara ya. Wọ́n ní ọmọ tí Priscilla bí fún Joma Juice wọ́n ní ti ẹ̀kọ́ o, wọ́n lọ́ máa lè ní o. Ẹ gbọ́, báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló fa tears? Kí ló fariwo? Kí ló fẹ́ kún? Ṣó possible ṣá? Ṣé báwọn kan ní surrogacy ni wọ́n ṣe? Ṣé báwọn kan ní Priscilla lóyún? Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe lọ bímọ sí ṣé Canada kan ni àbí Dubai àbí ibùdó tẹ̀sán pé ó bímọ sí gbà yẹn. What goes around will comes around. Ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ mi, ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ kan ní ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Ẹni tó yọ ọmọ fún yín kò ní gbé yín lọ́mọ lọ. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ wá gbọ́ new update. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, kẹ́ bá mi subscribe sí Lẹ́yẹlé Global TV. Tó ẹ gbígbà kọ́ lélẹ́yìí, tẹ̀kọ́ máa kọ̀ sí péjì. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá gbọ́ látẹnu àwọn tí wọ́n ń sọ wípé Joma Juice ti gbé result DNA síta. Ọmọ tí Priscilla bí kò ń ṣọmọ Joma Juice. Ẹ wá gbọ́. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí o. Kẹ́ bá mi subscribe sí Lẹ́yẹlé Global TV. He don ready o. He don ready o.
Wetin dey sup?
Wetin dey sup?
They don dey drag Priscilla online o guys based on this im pikin baby Rakim DNA test. Wahala don finally burst out. Guys, we have a lot to talk about. Serious. Before you go into the main gist, if you are new, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, show me some love.
Kẹ́ ẹ bá wa share. Kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ bá wa fi èrò ọkàn yín náà hàn lábẹ́ comment section.
So guys, a lot of reaction. People have been leave their business and be asking, who is the father? Now that Joma is skinny, Joma is not looking the way he's supposed to look. What is, are you, maybe Prissy is hiding something, maybe Joma is not taking it lightly again. Omo wahala don't finally bust that. The DNA test finally review, and what the DNA test review is what I keep a lot of fans talking, as in they said they don't even expect, because after we say Joma slim like what thing we don't know, we can't say maybe this one go show otherwise, maybe now waiting make Juma they slim, that maybe they think overthinking the worry and based on the DNA test when say they don't they drag guys, you guys need to hear waiting they saw wahala don't finally bust out based on this saga and both the lawsuits of Joma Juice. Omo wahala don't finally share it online. You guys need to see this video to the end and see what Rakim and a mama did, because this one is so touching. You guys need to see why Juma have been slimming down. Juma is not looking choppy. A lot of reaction. People have been talking, because you know when somebody have no voice out, you don't know the main cocoa, the main truth behind all the things that is happening. You guys need to say, watch this video and see what's happened, because everything is finally out. The truth about the DNA test is out, and you guys need to see waiting pre-see review that keep a lot of people talking. That's why I bring my video so that you guys will see. Watch this video to the end, guys. Everywhere don't bust, Anthony. Everywhere just dey hot. Waiting can happen. Finally, guys, you guys need to hear how our Queen Mother said reply to fans on this particular matter, because what she revealed It's not easy, guys. It's really touching. You see, if something happened like this, if you have not heard from the two sides, don't judge you, because what Queen Mother reply now is what I keep a lot of fans talking. You guys knew that it's no longer news. People have been saying all kind of things concerning our Juma, our Tanzanian in-law, ever since he lost so much weight. A lot of reaction online. People have been saying all kind of things, and Queen Mother said it has not been easy for her, and she have been replying messages, calls, since ever all these things start surfacing online. You guys need to hear what she really said about this particular matter, guys. But before I go into the main gist, if you are new, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn up your notification bell so that anytime I have any update, you'll be number one to get it. Without wasting you guys' time, let me go straight to the point. Prissy herself finally breaks silence in tears and said she had been dragging online ever since the videos and pictures of her husband have been showing that it have not been easy. And you guys know that she said she's pregnant for the second child. He said on top pregnancy, she have been battle with all these things. So the one that touched a lot of fans now is Juma uncle finally breaks silence online. Juma, one of the elder Juma uncle, finally said something concerning Juma's situation right now. So a lot of people said the uncle do the right thing. Maybe the mom have reports what is happening to the uncle. So the uncle now came out and said something that is so touching. According to the information, Prissy said that she's not ready to leave Juma. That all these things are challenges that is coming on her way. They want their marriage to go down, but no, that she's not ready because she's already carrying Juma's second child. So some online in-laws said at this point now, they don't even expect Prissy to be talking about pregnancy. What they expect Prissy to be saying is how Juma will be fine and strong again, because the loss of weight is too much. This is not how Juma normally look. Juma is now looking old, he's not looking choppy, he's not looking good at all, as if he's not eating at all. When Prissy and Juma got married, you guys know how Juma was looking. So now the uncle keep asking question, what is really happening to Juma? Is Juma sick? If Juma is sick, that they should come out and tell them what happened. If anything happened to Juma, he said it's going to be war between Tanzanian people and people of them. Say it's going to be a very big war. Now they are asking, they should tell us what happened to Juma. Nobody's giving. They think it's a joke and it's using it like a comedy. That this is not time of comedy. He's sending the last one to Prissy, guys. See wahala. It don't finally bust out. So online in-laws now, there's a write-up somebody puts that have been trending since yesterday. Somebody said, please, our Queen Mother, we are begging you, please ask what is happening to Juma. Juma is not looking okay and you are keeping quiet. Another person now replied under the comment section said, is it because it's not your daughter? What about if it's Prissy that lose so much weight? Won't you come out and clear the air and say exactly what happened? Because it's not somebody's child. That's the reason why Juma mom didn't keep quiet when immediately saw the pictures and videos of his son. They have to ask, they have to try possible, but you guys know that if Juma mom don't like traveling because of some health issues, but you have to try every possible best just to know what exactly is happening in Juma's life. Some people have been making all kind of comments ever since this video have been trending. Some people say it's too much bill, that the Prissy and mom have been billing Juma, that wants Juma slim down. A lot of people say maybe it's loan. Are you sure that Juma did not collect loan to do that rich wedding? That is so much money. Maybe there's many things only. So when someone already said maybe it's health issue, sugar, all kind of thing can make somebody to lose weight, because according to what Juma said in that video, they said he's watching weight, but online in-laws watching weight to Juma is not looking okay. Okay, guys, now look at this right up. This is Juma before and after. And somebody said, please, Uju, please check on your daughter husband always. So he's not looking okay. So some reaction online, some people have been dropping all kind of comments. They said, yeah, but you need to break the silence. Yeah, but you need to at least visit, stay some time, and know what is happening, know why Juma is not looking choppy and okay. And according to the information, they said even as Juma is looking slim, he still use it and hits UK for a show. A lot of people said, oh, he's not supposed to go for a show now until he become okay, because he's not looking the way he's supposed to be. And now Priscilla is supposed to be taking care of Juma is busy with pregnancy, money sickness, all kind of things. So some people say they need to take care of Juma, or Juma should go back to Tanzania and make sure that he's okay, because they don't want to hear anything from Juma. Then something happened to Joe, they don't want to hear anything at all. So ever since then, reaction, people have been making all kind of comments, both good, both bad. Some people said the way they are taking the matter is not easy, it's not okay for them. That's why they don't want anything to happen to Juma. Why can't Prissy take serious action and make sure that Juma is okay? No be small thing. See, if something happen, you'll be hearing all kind of news, different news that have been coming. When someone make a comment saying that maybe it's a health challenge, maybe Juma is not feeling fine, but they decided to make it offline. But at this point now, the body have already showed, so they can't take it. So now at this point, a lot of people are just listening because they don't know what exactly that is wrong with Juma. But some people say it's not their headache. If you like, let them take care of Juma. But in this point now, you don't say it's not your business, because you don't know what will happen to everybody. So far as we are in this world, you need to be checking on. So some of their fans are not even happy at all what is really happening. So if you're watching this level, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ kan nìyí, gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global ṣe rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Kí ló lè ṣe Juma Juice tó máa lean? Kí ló lè ṣe Juma Juice tó máa jò lójoojúmọ́? Now instead kan káràmásìkì mọ́ yẹn, Priscilla ń jáde, ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ about the second pregnancy. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, tí kò bá sí uncle Juma Juice tó jáde ńsìn tó gbé DNA result jáde, ó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ wípé ìjọ tí Juma Juice ti gbọ́ wípé òun kọ́ lòun ní ọmọ yẹn, in fact kò sí ọkùnrin náà bó ṣe lè sọ pé ó strong tó ní ìyàwó tó ná adúrú owó bẹ́yẹn lé lórí, ní ìyàwó tó fẹ́ ní iṣu lọ́kà tó ná adúrú owó bẹ́yẹn lé lórí, tó fi lé pọn títẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ̀ náà rọ́kà, kó wá dé pé ọmọ kan tó wá kọ́kọ́ pa yín pọ̀, ó wá dictate pé ọmọ yẹn ò kí ń ṣọmọ yẹn. Kò sí bó ṣe lè strong tó tí kò ní fi ẹ̀. Bóyá bátù yẹn ni Juma Juice ló ń bá fà tó fi ń lean lójoojúmọ́. Àwọn ò ní sọ tí ó bá sí uncle Juma Juice tó jáde ń sìn tó wá broadcast ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Àwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò ní sọ, Priscilla ò ní jáde kó wá sọ, torí pé kí ni àwọn náà mọ ibi tí wọ́n kí fádé tí wọ́n fi gbàgbé ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn náà mọ géèmù tó ń bá Juma Juice play, àwọn òkúkú mọ̀. Now instead kí ẹ wá mọ bí ẹ ṣe máa yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò ní di gbàgbós báyìí, ẹ keep quiet, ẹ ṣe nǹkan kan lórí ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ wá jáde ń sìn, now ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ń sìn ẹ wá bú sígbe, wọ́n ń drag yín lórí social media. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ ẹbí Juma Juice, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi send fídíò yìí sí wọn. mama Joma Jux baba Joma Jux tẹ́ bá sì wà láyé uncle Joma Jux tó gbé information yẹn jáde ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má fi Joma Jux sílẹ̀ báyìí mọ́ o ẹ tètè mú ọmọ yín sọ́dọ̀ ẹ mú Joma Jux sọ́dọ̀ kẹ́ tètè wá nǹkan tó bá ń ṣe kẹ́ tètè rìn jáde sí kẹ́ tètè take care kọ́rọ̀ Joma Jux náà bá lọ dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad o kó má lọ dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ìgbà tí Mohbad náà tó ń nà káàkiri tó ń ṣe gbá tó ń ṣàwo báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sọ náà nìyẹn wọn káràmásìkì mọ́ ìgbà tó kú làwọn èèyàn wá ṣe dìde tán ní kí àwọn tó pa kán fò kán níṣó Tọ́pẹ́ Ọ̀ṣọ́bà bọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ tiẹ̀ náà nìyí ó ní kánsà ó lọ gbàwòsàn ó wá tibẹ̀ ó gbalé olùṣọ́ lọ kò ṣe kinní kan instead kó lọlé ó ń bá àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ jà ó ń bá àwọn kinní kan jà at the end of the day ikú Tọ́pẹ́ Ọ̀ṣọ́bà náà la gbọ́n sìn yìí o ẹ má jẹ́ kí ti Joma Jux náà kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ ẹbí Joma Jux ní Tanzania á bẹ́tà kẹ́ ẹ tètè sọ fún wọn kẹ́ ẹ sí wọn ní gbẹ́rẹ́ pàkọ́ ìdíbàjẹ́ òkàn mí náwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ìdíbàjẹ́ òkàn mí ní Priscilla o bó bá kú lé ní àwọn ìyá tó lọ fọ́kọ mi o ó máa lọ fọ́kọ mi o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ ẹbí Joma Jux ní Tanzania ẹ tètè bá a sí wọn ní gbẹ́rẹ́ pàkọ́ ẹ tètè bá a pé àkíyèsí wọn because kí ló lè máa mú ọkọ ìyàwó rù lójoojúmọ́ àbí kó má lọ jẹ́ pé nǹkan tí mò ń rò òun ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ṣé kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n ti lo Joma Jux náà ṣé kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n ti lo Joma Jux bọ́n ṣe lo Mohbad ṣé kò ń ṣe wọ́n ti lo Joma Jux náà bọ́n ṣe lo Tọ́pẹ́ Ọ̀ṣọ́bà ìlú tá a wà ń sìn ayé tá a wà ń sìn má dira o tí ẹ bá ènìyàn tó bá ti dira oríṣiríṣi information ló ń jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Joma Jux àwọn kan tún ní bóyá bílì tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń fún gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ ọmọ ẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn kan wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wa yẹn tó o bá ti fẹ́ ọmọ wọn báyìí o ti rógo jíjẹ mímu wọn ìwọ ló máa gbé àwọn kan wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀ tó o bá ti lè fẹ́ ọmọ wọn wọ́n bìlífù pé bùkátà ẹbí ìyàwó ó ti di tọkọ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣe ń wá làbúrò máa wá àgàgà ìyá ló tiẹ̀ worst jù bàbá ló máa ń fẹ́ dá dúró pé no ẹ má fi ẹrẹ̀ yí mi lára ẹ má fi ìrẹ́kùrẹ́ ẹ má fi rẹ́ mi lára bàbá nìkan ló máa ń fẹ́ dúró nínú ẹbí ìyàwó ṣó àwọn tó kù èmi lẹ̀gbọ́n ni o èmi làbúrò ni o èmi ni ìyá ni o tìyá ló tiẹ̀ worst jù àwọn ìyá tiẹ̀ bìlífù pé ọkọ ọmọ àwọn gbogbo nǹkan táwọn bá fẹ́ ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe fáwọn torí pé kí ni àwọn fi ọmọ fún ṣé ilé máa kọ́ fọmọ fún yàn ni ṣé ilé máa kọ́ fọmọ fọ́kọ ni tẹ máa gbé gbogbo bùkátà lé ayé yín tẹ máa gbé sọ́run ọkọ ọmọ yín àwọn kan ń give analysis yẹn pé bóyá bílì tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń fún stress tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń fún lórí pé owó lè ní owó lọ́la pé bóyá òun ló ń ṣe ohun tó pamọ́ ojú Ọlọ́run ló tó ohun tèmi kàn máa sọ òun ni wípé ẹ má jẹ́ ká tún máa wo Joma Jux báyìí kọ́ máa yẹ pé nígbà tá a bá tún gbọ́ nǹkan kan ti tiẹ̀ náà máa tún pé àti sọ náà wọ́n ti ní kinní kan gbà kan wọ́n ní kinní kan gbà kan ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè káràmásìkì mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ ẹbí Joma Jux ẹ sọ fáwọn ìyá àbọ̀n bàbá ẹ̀ kán wá mú un kó Nàìjíríà tó wà kán lọ ṣètọ́jú ẹ̀ tára ẹ̀ bá yá á padà sí di ìgbéyàwó bó bá tatẹ́rùn pa Priscilla ó fẹ́ lómi o ìdílé tó ti lọ fẹ́yàwó wọn ò ní tìjú ń bẹ o ìdíbàjẹ́ òkàn mi ni wọ́n o wọn ò ní tìjú ń bẹ so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kó kan gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n bá mọ Joma Jux kó kàn wọ́n lára family Joma Jux need to take action níbi tọ́rọ̀ ìgbédè yìí kọ́ tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ DNA ọ̀nà DNA èmi ni mo lọ́mọ èmi kọ́ ni mo lọ́mọ kọ́kọ́ sèfù láìfù Joma Jux náà torí ẹ̀mí tó bá wà ló ń díràgì ọmọ o Mohbad lọ sí yìí ṣé ó padà díràgì ọmọ ṣe bí ń ṣe àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ wọ́n ń fòkú ẹ̀ méèkì owó ṣó lè drag ọmọ mọ́ tó bá yẹ kó bá mọ̀ ń gbà yẹn kó kú má pariwo síta kó fi ṣe ìsonú ẹ̀kú bóyá kò bá ṣì wà láyé dìsìn ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ mi ni ọmọ mi kọ́ ọmọ mi ni ọmọ mi kọ́ òun náà ni Mohbad àti Wùnmí tán jọ ń drag wọ́n lóun ni wọ́n drag lọ sí Ìkòròdú tán drag bọ̀ wọ́n lóun ló fà á tí Mohbad sọ nígbà yẹn pé òun máa sọmọ yẹn sínú odò òkun látòrí bridge tó bá yẹ pé Mohbad náà mọ̀ pé bí kéèsì yẹn ṣe máa end lélẹ́yìí ni bóyá kò bá ti ra sọ pé ok ṣé bó ilé mi ni mo lọ́mọ kò sí wàhálà kó fi plan ní gbogbo ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ kó má tiẹ̀ pariwo kó má tiẹ̀ jà kó má tiẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan kan tí ṣe máa fi plan ní gbogbo ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ tó máa fi bọ́ mọ́mọ́ yẹn ní ọwọ́ but torí pé kí ni èèyàn ò ní gbọ́ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà kó má jà kó má sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn ò ní mọ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà kínú ẹ̀ máa dùn bí wọn ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ bá jókòó báyìí tó bá fi lè ṣe ṣe rí ohun ẹ̀kan tó ṣe yẹn according to àwọn scientists according to àwọn doctor wọ́n ní ohun ẹ̀kan tó ṣe yẹn wọ́n lẹ́jẹ̀ ègò kan ti lọ lára ẹ̀ ẹ wá ní kò ní lean ó máa lean ẹ wá ní kò ní gbẹ ó máa gbẹ nígbà tó bá ń fojoojúmọ́ ronú pé ṣètò owó tó ná òun ni kó máa rò ní àbí ti wàhálà tó ṣe àbí ti nǹkan tí àwọn ayé máa sọ tán bá gbọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí irú ẹ̀ lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí celebrity for that matter tó bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ordinary person ni ó tiẹ̀ tún ṣì dá díẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lè má kọjá agboolé wọn but celebrity ṣé di owó ọ̀dọ̀ tí ń gbọ́ báyìí sìn ṣé bóun lẹ́yìn ń gbọ́ ń pa yẹn òun lèmi ń sọ ń pa yẹn ibì kan ni mo ti rí information yẹn sìn ibì kan lẹ́ni yẹn náà ti máa rí ohun tán lọ náà nìyẹn ohun spread lọ náà nìyẹn gbogbo nǹkan tọmọkùnrin máa wù náà nìyẹn pé bóyá dẹ̀ ti rí ẹni tó ń wọ̀nù ẹ̀ tó ń sin nígbẹ́rẹ́ gbàgbọ́ pé ó gbọ́ bọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ìyá ọmọdé yìí ó gbọ́ bọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọdé yìí má fẹ́ ọmọdé yìí má ṣe gbá kan bóyá jòmájúsì ní irọ́ o ẹni tó máa fẹ́ nìyẹn o ṣé mọ̀ pé tí wọ́n bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìgbéyàwó tí nǹkan tẹ́ expect bá padà ṣẹlẹ̀ àwa di flashback yẹn wọ́n máa ro gbogbo nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ti bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yẹn lóríṣiríṣi má fẹ́ má ṣe kinní kan má dá wọn lóhùn jàre má ṣe oríṣiríṣi a máa wá sórí ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ o ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ rí n tó burú jù nìyẹn àbámọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ o kò kí ń ṣíwájú ọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ń gbẹ̀yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ni ẹ̀yẹn lọ wo àbámọ̀ yẹn níjọ́ tẹ́yìn ti mọ àbámọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ ti mọ̀ tábàámọ̀ ti exist ẹjọ́ ṣé àbámọ̀ ṣó ṣíwájú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá máa rí àbámọ̀ tó ṣíwájú ọ̀rọ̀ kò kí ń kọ́mọ̀ pé kádẹ́ ni mo mọ̀ ní o kí n ti dọ́bù owó yẹn o bóyá bí n bá ṣe jẹ bílíọ̀nù lélẹ́yìí o ìyẹn máa ń wáyé lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan opposite àbámọ̀ ló máa ń wáyé jù wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi o báwo ni mo ṣe ṣe wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi o kí ló mú mi ṣe wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi o mi ìbá dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi òun ló máa ń pọ̀ jù lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àbámọ̀ ó máa ń kẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ni ibi tó ti ń ṣíwájú ọ̀rọ̀ kò kí ń kọ́mọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ló máa ń wà jù ẹ wá sọ fún mi wípé bí irú ẹ̀ bá dé bá ọmọkùnrin kò sí irú oúnjẹ tó lè máa jẹ oúnjẹ yìí ò ní ṣiṣẹ́ kò sí irú fítámìn tó lè máa mu fítámìn yìí ò ní ṣiṣẹ́ ṣé bá rẹni tó ń jẹ fítámìn tó ń jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ tó ń jẹ gbá tó ń jàwó tó ń lògùn oríṣiríṣi tí ò torí ẹ̀ put on weight adẹ̀rẹ̀ ni tó ń mu gàrí lásán ni o ó dẹ̀ ń wé lọ́rùn bí rẹ̀ ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ ni tọkàn ẹ bá balẹ̀ tó jẹ̀yàn lówó tí ò sí pé onídìí pẹ̀lú ọlọ́pàá tó dáràn tó fàdíya ẹ wá fi wé ẹni tó yẹ pé ó ní kéèsì lọ́rùn kò sí ohun tó lè máa jẹ kò ní wọnú ẹ̀ ẹ wá ní kò ní gbẹ kò ní rò bọ́n bá tètè mójútó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó lè sùn jọkàn sí kó má jì mú kí lẹ fẹ́ máa sọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fúnra rẹ̀ tó bá gbọ́n Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fúnra rẹ̀ tó bá gbọ́n tí ó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn ayé dragi ẹ̀ ju báyìí lọ tó bá gún torí tí wọn kọ́ bá ṣe bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn sí Nàìjíríà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò lè escape ẹ̀ kò lè escape ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ pé òun ló lọ́mọ òun kọ́ ló nọmọ tí wọn kọ́ bá ṣe bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn sí Nàìjíríà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lè escape ẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn máa dragi ẹ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fún ara ẹ̀ gan tó bá gbọ́n níṣẹ́ ló yẹ kó jẹ́ kí Joma Jux ti padà tí ò bá mọ nǹkan tó lè ṣe láti fi tọ́jú bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn kárẹ̀ padà sí ipò kó dá padà sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ káwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ lọ mójútó ná tó bá yẹ pé hospital ló nídìí kọ́kọ́ lọ gbé lọ sí hospital kó ṣèkì nǹkan tó ń ṣe kó ní rest of mind kó gba physiotherapy fún kó gba counseling fún kó cancel ẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìwọ ló lọ́mọ ìwọ kọ́kọ́ ló lọ́mọ ni kó jẹ́ kó yẹ pé ó sì young ó sì máa bí ìyí tó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kó máa fi òun ṣe rẹ̀ léṣe káwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ handle yẹn ná torí tí kinní yẹn bá lọ ṣe pẹ́rẹ́ torí mo gbọ́ pé Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n sọ pé ó wà tí wọ́n kọ́ bá lọ ṣe lè pẹ́rẹ́ sí ní Nàìjà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kò lè escape ẹ o kò lè escape ẹ o ẹ jọ ẹ bá share fídíò yìí ẹ bá share fídíò yìí kẹ bá subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV tó bá yẹ pé gbà ọkọ ilé ìtẹ́kọ́ máa kọ sí péjì yìí ẹ̀yin náà wá fi ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí náà hàn lábẹ́ comment section lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Joma Jux àti Priscilla ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣé what goes around ṣé kò tí ń comes around báyìí sìn ṣé what goes around kò tí ń comes around báyìí sìn kọ́ tá máa fi orí burúkú tí wọ́n fi bá tọmọ ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò kí bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV mo tún ń padà bọ̀ information pọ̀ ire o.